Alright, so because I know that battery box is a bit sketchy, I'm gonna do something with that, because there were a couple times you saw me spin this and I don't feel like it tried to spark at all. So make sure that we're not getting an intermittent spark, because especially on these low speed runs you definitely need spark all the time. So we'll clean this up and try to tune it as far as the ignition goes as tightly as we can. Not adjust the timing, but like I will pop the head off again and clean that out real good to make sure that that tiny passage is giving all the spark it can access. And I will probably change the battery box on the bottom of this to make sure I have a nicer or a better one that's making better contact, so that I don't have to worry about the batteries moving and causing intermittent power there. But it did run for a few minutes at a time there, so I think it's just real close, and I think we can make this happen with this governor setup. When I had it running, it ran down to about 1,000 RPM and up to 2,000 on my thing, so that was kind of nice. The EM2, we'll have to find just the ever so slightly stronger spring, and I'll look around and see if I can make or do something about that, because the one I made that was medium strength, I need to find a way to measure the strength of my springs, because I think that one might actually be a bit stiffer than the original spring on the EM2, but we shall see. So who knows. But the EM2 will keep trying different springs in it and see what we can do. But this, I think I just need to make sure that the battery box is working, is in good shape, and clean the head real good to make sure that the spark plug is in good shape and everything. So, and the passage is clear. So we'll keep working on these.